we guide you through how to fix mobile data not working on Android. So first, turn airplane mode on, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off and check your mobile data again. If that doesn't work, open settings, go to network and internet or connections, then tap mobile network and make sure mobile data is turned on. Next, check your preferred network type and select 5G, 4G, or LTE, depending on what your phone and SIM support. If it still doesn't work, restart your Android phone to refresh the network connection. You can also remove and reinsert your SIM card if your phone isn't detecting it properly. And finally, reset your network settings by going to Settings, System, Reset Options, then Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Keep in mind, this will remove saved Wi-Fi connections and Bluetooth devices. After the reset, turn mobile data back on and test your connection. If mobile data still doesn't work, contact your carrier, check your SIM or network has an issue.